Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'll be showing you how to install Rainmeter and install a skin like this one I have on the screen, which will have all your information. Example, the CPU, RAM, the visualizer, date, time, your hard drive capacities, and here these keys if you want to shut down your PC, restart it, log off or sleep. You can do that from these keys, and there are also many more things you can add, like for example the weather, some icons here for your shortcuts, and many more. So let's dive straight into it. So first of all, we have to download and install Rainmeter. I will have all the links in the description for this tutorial. So just go to rainmeter.net and you can either download the beta or the final release, but I do recommend downloading the final release because the beta might have some bugs and issues. So just download Rainmeter final release. And then choose your language here, hit OK, and make sure to check standard installation next, and you want to check both install 64-bit version and launch Rainmeter on startup to load all your skins as soon as you boot up your computer. Hit install, yes, try to load, finish. Now you'll see here everything will pop up from your Rainmeter. If you go to your taskbar and click on the Rainmeter icon, this will come up, and we will just unload everything here. You can go to active skin, unload, do that for all the skins because you want to start fresh. And when you're done doing that, you want to download the skin you want. I will have all the links in the description again for all these websites, like the DeviantArt, Visual Skins, and Rainmeter Hub. You can choose whatever skin you want, but for this video I'll do the flat blue theme. So all you have to do is just download the flat blue theme from here, hit download, and open it. Make sure to have this pop up because it might download as an HTML folder or a notepad folder. If that happens, all you have to do is just delete what you've downloaded and download it again until this come up. Hit install, and when you go now to your Rainmeter, you'll find flat blue theme here with all the settings. Now first of all, we need to change the wallpaper. In order to do that, you have to go to your document folder. You go to your documents and go to Rainmeter, skins, flat blue themes, and you'll find the wallpaper right here. Right click, set as wallpaper. There you go. Now we have the wallpaper, and now we have to load the skins starting from the date. You can just load it, put in the middle, the filler, load. Now I would like this, it's lighter. The music, you can drag it here. The power, this one, be careful while dragging it because these keys will turn off or restart your computer if you hit them. So just hold and drag, and the visualizer is from here. Load it, it's already set up nice and clean right there. And the volume to check if the volume is muted, or if you want to increase it, like for example if I mute it, you will see this icon will change. What else do we have? You can add your system information from here, the CPU for example, load, the RAM. Now you can arrange them however you like. I find this organized like this. For this filler to set it in the background, just right click, go to settings, position, and click on the bottom. You will see all the other skins will come on top of the filler, and you can keep adding your skins. For example here, the hard drive capacity. And now you can add the time. If you just look for it, your time, you can do the 12 hours or for 24 hours. I like the 12 hours, so you can have it in blue or white. I'll go with blue. You can drag it to the middle of the screen, just like that. And there you go, guys. And that was it for this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. And peace out.